Welcome to EDU World Space.
Given the function f of x equals x to the fifth minus 7x to the fourth plus 9x cubed plus 23x squared minus 50x plus 24, if x equals 1 is a 0 of multiplicity 2, we want to write the function in factored form. So what we need to do is divide out 1. We can do synthetic division. So if 1 is a 0, then we can divide 1 from the coefficients 1, negative 7, 9, 23, negative 50, 24. And we should get a remainder of 0. So we drop down the 1, then multiply to get 1, add to get negative 6. Multiply to get negative 6, add vertically to get 3, multiply to get 3, add to get 26, multiply to get 26, add to get negative 24, multiply to get negative 24, add to get 0, so that checks out. Multiplicity 2 means we should be able to do it again. And so now we take our quotient row from above, and we should get another remainder of 0. Drop down the 1, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, so we're left with now x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. We can look to find the remaining zeros here. And there are different methods of doing this, including trial and error, even graphing. For instance, negative 2 is a 0, and we can confirm this also with synthetic division. Drop down, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. And then we have x squared minus 7x plus 12, which is factorable. X minus 4 and x minus 3, because 3 and 4 are also zeros. So now we've got all of our zeros. X equals 1, multiplicity 2, x equals negative 2, 3, and 4. So our objective here is to write this function in factored form. Well, if 1 is a 0, then x minus 1 is a factor. Multiplicity 2 means we can square it. If negative 2 is a 0, then x plus 2 is a factor. If 3 is a 0, then x minus 3 is a factor, and so is x minus 4. This is a version of the factored form of that original function.